Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Luck. They're going to be drinking, swearing, and smoking. If you don't like that, leave now because here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome. My name is Shamari Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. We have a great show for you guys tonight. All right. Now, look. So we have to talk a little bit. I was going to do a whole story about it, but all right. So, brothers, all right. So let's get through the stories. I'm going to tell you the stories first. And then we're going to talk about some stuff in a minute. But all right, so today's stories. Bang. Bitcoin custody by Fidelity in a matter of weeks. Custody services by Fidelity. You know, Fidelity is $5.2 trillion company, right? All right, we'll get into that when we get there. Gemini. Bang. This is awesome. One step ahead of the others. Remember we talked about? These guys are bending backwards. And Gemini and all of these guys are bending backwards to be SEC compliant, CFTC compliant, regulatory compliant. And so we're going to talk about what Gemini just did, and that's a big deal. And then we're going to have a fun one. Bang, bang, bang. So we read about Malaysia. They went full crypto. Thailand, bang, full crypto. Look. You know where I'm from? Jamaica, man. I know the bomber clot and I deal with. Jamaica. Bang. Going full crypto. Well, at least for security tokens. And it'll be on the stock exchange. So the official stock exchange of Jamaica. Bang. Proud of my people. Bang. Yes. Luck. So. Now we'll talk about this other thing later, though. I don't want any bad news right now. I'm in a good mood. So let's go a little bit of. You know how we do? We go bang. We go bang. Bang. Yes. And then we refresh. So, I mean, I don't know what you want to call this. I mean, it is movement from 3,600 and something last week, all week, actually for the past few weeks, right? To now 3,455, 3,400. So there's a little movement in the Bitcoin there. On the downside. Actually, I had so much news today, man. I have this one piece of news. It was bad news. I don't feel like talking about bad news today, but I am gonna say it tomorrow. It's not bad. It's just actually I'm gonna say it tonight. Fuck this. I'm gonna just say it tonight. But I'm just saying it. I'm not gonna read a whole article about it. So bang, let's go. Look. Top 10 of the day in terms of market cap. Usual suspects. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, EOS, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Tron, Stellar, and Bitcoin SV. Bang. Let's see what the market's doing. All right. Single digits up to single digits down. And that's the tight range we've been in, right? Notice I've been saying single digits up to single digits down for weeks. Right? Weeks. Every once in a while, there's, a 20% up or a 30% down, but the vast majority of all this is single digits up, single digits down. All right, so that's where we are. All right, let's look and see if anything was on sale today. If anything, who are the biggest losers today? Anything you like on here, go get it. Let's see what we got. Bang! Biggest loser of the day, Revane, Aurora, Hollow, Odom, Ontology, Dai, Monocoin, Kryptonics, Wanchain, and Gemini Dollar. All right, let's see who made money today. Bang. All right. Yeah, just pretty. For the crypto market, this is tame. If this were any other market, 16% move would be crazy, but it's just how shit goes around these parts. Luck. Top 10 earners of the day. MobileGo, PundyX, IOST, Dent, BitShares, Wax, Digibyte, GXChain, Waves, and VeChain. Yes, VeChain. Good. Now, let's look at our market cap of the day, $113 billion. Nothing really moves, so neither does that. All right. And volume. Yeah, we were at 16 yesterday, right? 16 and change. I think, right? More than 16 and a half. Anyway, man, not much movement. 17 billion. Let's call that 17 billion. All right. Bang. Luck. So, before we get into this, let me talk to you guys. Let me just talk to you straight face to face like men. All right, guys. I was going to do this one story, but it's like, fuck all this, man. I don't have to read it all to you. I've already said it to you, but I want you to, but it is important, all right? So what I have to say is important, and so let's hear it. All right, so listen. Now, we just went through the government shutdown, right? There was a government, if you're not from America, here in America, yes, our government was literally shut down. Our federal government, state and local governments were open. Federal government shut down. Now, what did that do for us? That's what I care about. I mean, I care about everything. I hope everyone got their food stamps and their Social Security, and the elderly got their care and stuff. But what does this mean for the crypto market? Well, guys, fuck. Oh, well, there's two things, actually. So the shutdown, what it did is it slowed everything down. Now, I should just read this article to you guys tomorrow. Anyways, I don't need to read it. I'll just tell you. So the documents have piled up. And what happens now is, you know how VanEck, they pulled their application? Yeah. That goes to the bottom of the pile again, or the bottom of the pile. And it's going to take months and months and months. And you know what? All right, it's going to take months. And so we got a big delay from the shutdown. The SEC during the shutdown was working at 5.4% of their workforce, and the CFTC was working at 9.6% of their workforce. Nothing got done. It was only strict emergencies. Actually, what they were saying is, they were saying that dudes were like, oh, like the Wall Street guys just started insider trading and stuff because there were no cops, no one to catch you. Yeah, that's the kind of level of stuff that went down. And in terms of us for crypto, though, what matters for us is it delays everything. It delays everything. And so we're going to be in a delay. Like I told you guys, I was saying Q1 at the end of Q2 this year would be rocking and rolling. I'm thinking Q3 now. I'm thinking Q3. All right, man. But let's just get to the good news. Why'd you bring that up, Jamari? Because I had to bring that up, but I didn't want to read a whole story about it. Like, I didn't want to read the whole thing. But that's what's going down, guys. And then let me tell you something. Oh, and that's why I brought it up. Why'd you bring this up? Okay, yes, exactly. Hold on. Let's get back to my face. That's why I brought it up. And then we have a trade war that might be coming on March 1st. So what am I bringing this up for? Duh. All right, let me get some fuel so I get my brain right. All right. What I'm bringing this up for is that, remember I told you guys how pivotal this moment, Q1, was for crypto? This guy Trump has fucked it all up. He's fucking it all up for us, man. And remember this, we still have the trade war with China thing going on. That has to be decided by March 1st. And I tell you what, well, if that happens, bang, America and China, recession. But I want you to understand, remember, crypto is a global market. So, yeah, there's not going to be a recession in Europe. There's not going to be a recession in Britain. There's not going to be a recession in Australia. There's not going to be a recession in Japan. Bang! Luck. The Germans will be fine. Offering end-to-end solutions in Stuttgart. Bang! So let's not worry about it. And that's what I wanted to unfud you about that. Now, look. Shmori, man, but we're not going to get our money. Look. We're not going to get as much yet. But remember, the whole world is doing what they have to do. Remember, the whales in all those countries, they are hounding their politicians too, just like ours. Remember, in those countries, there's corruption. You just pay a politician $1 million. He just votes for some shit for you. You know what I mean? I mean, it's actually easier in those kind of places. So, look. Our money's coming, but we do have some pitfalls. In terms of American regulatory processes that are going to happen, I believe, for the first half of this year. This guy Trump is fucking it all up. But remember Britain? Britain said they're going to give they gave their rules. We read it the other day. And they're giving their people until April 4th to comment on it. And then, bang, they're going to release their stuff. Malaysia came online 2 weeks ago. Bang. Thailand last week. Bang. And look. Bang, my people. Bumbaclot. We're coming online. All right. I had to get that bad news out. You know, I had to say it because it's true. It's true. And it was the big news on all the things, and it would look stupid if I didn't talk about it because we know what just happened. It was a government shutdown. So what are the ramifications of that for us? So those are the ramifications. It's a delay, not the end of the world. A delay. Because I know, and the reason I bring it up also is because there were some articles out there, they were just fudding all up, like making it sound like everything was over. Like, what are you talking about? Like, just a delay, motherfucker. Chill. All right. So I just had to unfud some motherfuckers. Bang! Let's get to our goods because this is the reality here. Bang! Launching a Bitcoin custody service. You know who Fidelity is, right? Let me show you who they are. Bang! Fidelity. Look. Look at that. And look what their thing say. Just weeks away. Bang. Just weeks away from launch. Fidelity is the number 4. Well, hold on. Let me just read it to you. Why do I, Bang. Yeah, October. The Boston-based Fidelity, a financial service companies with what? 7.2 how much dollars under management? Worth of assets under management? Read that. Let me have a sip. Bang! Look. Here comes the money. Well, they're offering custody, so let's calm down, Shamari. Calm down. But let's get real. It's not like they're only going to offer custody, right? In the long run, believe me, guys. Bang! $7.2 trillion worth of assets under management for 27 million clients. Blood clot, million clients, more than some countries. Announced its plans to enter the crypto market, citing proven institutional demand for cryptocurrency. Bang! Now let's head back to Bloomberg. You know me, I'm a Forex trader. I like to get my news from Bloomberg and Wall Street Journal. Financial Times, the real deal. Not such a fan of these crypto sites if I can get away with it, which is not often. But luck. Fidelity Investments is targeting a March launch date for its Bitcoin custody service, according to 3 people with knowledge of the matter, as the mutual fund giant moves forward with a plan that could help ease fears of trading cryptocurrencies. Exactly. Once these guys step in, how all the big boys look. Right? Well, I mean, they are the big boys. And so all the other, I guess you'd say, smaller big boys. Oh, Fidelity. Look. In October, the Boston-based firm announced it would offer a range of crypto products designed for large investors like hedge funds. For what? Exactly. They're not even playing around with folks like us, folks. You can fuck all that shit. You're not going to get your hands on any Fidelity's futures contracts. This for the big boys. Bang. And that's what we need. Bang. We need the big boys to get that tsunami rolling hard. Let's go. Like hedge funds. Bitcoin storage will be the first of one available. According to employees of 3 firms that spoke with Fidelity in the past several weeks and asked not to be named discussing the plans that they're still private. Bang. Oh, yeah. And what's next? What'd I tell you guys? Bang. Ether custody is expected to be next. What'd I tell you guys? That's why I've been kind of preaching to you guys lately. Get your large caps, your Ethereum, your Bitcoin, and your Litecoins. Those are going to be the first ones to be offered by these big companies. I know, whatever you believe, yeah, but Bitcoin's slow. Oh, but this. Look. These guys don't care about all that shit. All this techie crap that a lot of you guys, purists or whatever you want to call yourselves, believe in. They don't care. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, they're commodities. That's how they look at them. Like gold and silver and diamonds. They don't care about consensus models or any of the crap, techie crap that people care about. And that's why I'm telling you to get them, like I keep showing you. And then Ether custody, expect to be next. Yeah, Bitcoin and then Ethereum. Those are the ones that Gemini, all these guys backed, and all of them are going to start offering first. Then they're going to get to our our other stuff, right? But our other stuff is going to go up. As Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. So that'll be nice. Luck. We're currently, and they say it right here. We're currently serving a select set of eligible clients. Eligible, in other words, accredited investors. As we continue to build our initial solutions, the company said in a statement Tuesday, over the next several months, we will thoughtfully engage with and prioritize prospective clients based on needs, jurisdictions, and other factors. Yes. It's a privilege to, you know what I mean? It's going to be a privilege to trade with these guys. Custody, a commonplace practice in conventional financial markets like stocks, involves a third party holding on to securities to reduce the risk they'll be lost or stolen. We've talked about custody here a million times. But while a number of startups have sought to offer the keepsake service, many Wall Street professionals have longed to work with a large financial services firm, a role Fidelity may fill. Look, when you've got, what? Bang, $7.2 trillion under management. Yeah. I'd say that's pretty large. I'd say that's pretty large. And that's what the big boys want. It's like everything else. Everybody wants to rock with the badass, the big boy, It's the same with these guys. They're the same thing. Yeah, they have $1 billion, but that other guy's got $10 billion, which makes him better than that guy with only the $1 billion. You know what I mean? And it's still like that, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Roll for name AFL. Others include Bank of New York Mellon Corp., J.P. Morgan Chase and Company, and Northern Trust Corp. have exploring entering the field. Meanwhile, digital coins are constantly stolen, underscoring the need for better safeguards. Exactly, and that's what these guys are going to do. Blah, blah, blah. So the CEO has loved digital assets for a while. Blah, blah, blah. We're not going to read that. Fidelity among the largest providers of retirement savings and mutual funds. And that's what I'm telling you. This is the secret, or not a secret. There's no secret. But I told you guys, lock. No one's going to be fucking. You want to talk about mass adoption? There's your mass adoption. Retirement savings. Bang. Mutual funds. Bang. I'm telling you. 401ks. Bang. And your kids' college funds. Bang. That's going to be your fucking mass adoption. All right. And Fidelity, yeah, they're offering custody now. I guarantee you, 3 to 5 years from, not even, probably about 3 years from now, so 3 to 4 years from now, Fidelity is going to be offering those first. Retirement, mutual funds, 401ks, and college funds. Bang, for college savings funds. Telling you. All right. Anyways, hoping it can leverage its famous name and win over institutional customers keen on digital currency trading. The company already works with 13,000 financial institutions. It has also hired from the crypto world, notably Tom Jessup, a head of corporate business development a year ago. He was previously president of Chain Inc., which offers blockchain technology to financial companies. All right. So, risks to custody include managing cryptographic keys for customers, staving off hackers, and staying within compliance boundaries, BNY Mellon said in an October report. Bang! So, big boy Fidelity, $5.2 trillion under management. Yes, brothers. And you know what else they say? What they say is this. The March launch for Fidelity's new Bitcoin services is welcome news to a cryptocurrency market in recovery from a rough year in 2018, with fears of a possible sub-3,000 BTC price drop portending a crypto nuclear winter. Now, but cryptocurrency is clearly no longer the purview of a lunatic fringe of math whizzes, crypto nerds, and hyper-caffeinated anti-government crypto anarchists. Now, I know some of you probably fall within those two categories, but look, this move by Fidelity, among other major global finance players, proves that 2019 is the year Bitcoin and a couple other major cryptos enter the mainstream investment world as sought-after asset class. Yes, as a sought-after asset class. And that's what I've been telling you. Get your Bitcoins, Litecoin, Ethereums. 2019, bang, by the end of this year, those are going to be huge. And then going into 2020 or 2020, we should have full clarity, man, and the rest of this stuff should be rocking. Actually, even before that, because Britain said they have regulatory clarity on their securities after they're going to do this thing till April, where the people get to talk. Remember yesterday we read about it? The people are going to get to give their comments. And then Britain said they're going to come out with their regulations by this summer. Malaysia's here. Bang. Thailand here. Bang. Yes. I'm going to read about Jamaica. Bang. Everyone's coming online. So awesome. All right. Bang. Now, here it is. Gemini. Oh, and this is why I read this one. This one's awesome. So check this out. Remember I told you these guys are bending over backwards? So the Gemini crypto exchange is now one step ahead of other crypto exchanges and custodians. These boys, these two kids here, they're not messing around at all. And that's what we need, people to take everything seriously and really get this big money in here. Just like the last story I read with you with Fidelity. Obviously, they're way huge, way bigger than these guys. But little guys like this, you might not have the money of Fidelity, but what are you going to have? Regulation. Watch this. People are going to feel safe putting their money here. The crypto exchange, the Gemini crypto exchange today attained a certification that no other cryptocurrency platform has ever received. The certification was after the exchange passed a service organization. Actually, it's SOC. There's another word. I don't remember what it was. Damn it, I read it on nothing. Anyways, but they pressed their SOC Type 1 examination. That's the kind of shit, that's done by, auditors. Like, okay, watch. Let's read. Which was conducted by Deloitte and Touche, right? An auditor. Deloitte and Touche, the biggest, one of the biggest auditors in the world. They audit, Microsoft and, all of these guys, Boeing, Ford, all of them. Anyways, they passed a service organization SOC Type 1 examination, which was conducted by Deloitte and Touche LLP, one of the 4 major auditing firms in the world. Exactly. Deloitte and Touche, everybody knows that. Among other things, the SOC 2 examination tested. See, this crypto site is fucked up. It's an SOC Type 1. It was an exam. All right, I'll explain it in a second. Hold on. So the SOC 2 examination tested whether the Gemini crypto exchange has put adequate measures to enhance know your customer, to thwart money laundering, and security of stored coins. So that whole anti-money laundering thing, they passed. In a Medium post, Gemini said that after months of preparation and in-depth external review, we are pleased to announce that Gemini has successfully completed its SOC Type 1 examination. This makes Gemini the world's first cryptocurrency exchange and custodian to demonstrate this level of security compliance in protecting customer data and funds. Bang. That is institutional grade. The SOC2 is a high-value review in the traditional finance and technology sectors. By passing this examination, the Gemini Crypto Exchange add to a previously acquired insurance policy. Remember we talked about that? Which not only raises the trust level among its users, but also raises the bar a notch higher from other virtual currency platforms. Remember, here in America, some platforms, they have the FDIC insurance, which insures a holder up to $250,000. Yeah. Gemini, they went and got real insurance. So if you have a $2 billion with Gemini and it gets hacked and your $2 billion gets stolen, no worries, buddy. Here's your $2 billion back. Big time, big boy business. According to Yusuf Hussein, head of risk at the Gemini crypto exchange, he said this standard of compliance is what all retail and institutional customers should expect of the cryptocurrency exchange and custodian. Exactly. You got to make it real. The head of risk added that SOC Type 1 review is just the beginning, as they will be looking to undergo the SOC Type 2. This is the one I was talking about. Right. Oh, SOC 2 Type 2. All right, my bad then. Okay, my fault then. They were right. The SOC 2 Type 2 review by the end of the year. And that goes deeper. For Hussein, it's better to show that crypto platforms are secure than just saying the platforms are secure without proof, considering that cryptocurrency hackers have made way with over $1.5 billion US dollars worth of crypto from crypto exchanges. Exactly. And that's what these guys want. If I'm a $10 billion hedge fund, I want to know my shit is secured. My bad. Insured. Where did they say that? Insured, in other words, if you get hacked, I get my money back. So, bang. Wait. Let's bang it again. Bang. Look. Bang. All right, let's leave the mouse there then this time. It's not letting me bang proper. Look. So, you want to make sure it's that it's insured, and look. Audited by who? Bang. Deloitte & Touche. Everybody knows these motherfuckers right here. Bang. One of the 4 major auditing firms. Why isn't my thing staying on? In the world. Bang. In the world. You can't argue with that, right? All these institutional guys, they're going to be, yeah, I'm all up in that. Remember we talked about due diligence, right? Well, you don't have to do much due diligence when you've got a Deloitte & Touche report audited, certifying the viability of this organization. Bang! All right. Now let's have a little fun. My people, them blood clot, why? We know about them thing, them why. Jamaica, man, we are going to roll upon it. We got to deal with it. We are going to bring it come. Bang! Jamaica Stock Exchange, ready to list security tokens. Bang! Look. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has now suggested that it is now looking to list security tokens on its platform after a successful trial with regulated market participants, including the Jamaican Central Securities Depository, the JCSD. The launch of trading on the JSE has been delayed at the original target completion date was set for the end of 2018, but the actual development, in cooperation with Canadian blockchain and crypto firm BlockStation, took the best part of a year. The Jamaica Central Securities Depository played a major part in the trial, including managed settlement and custody of funds. Bang! Both fiat and crypto. Bang! JSE's managing director, Marlene Street Forrest, commented that the pilot had been very smooth, and now the exchange was looking forward to the next step, which would be trading. Let's get on with it. Lovely. BlockStation, founded in 2014, was chosen as the partner for the JSE last year, primarily because of its vast range of services, including compliant listing, trading settlement, clearing, and custody of digital assets and security tokens used by the exchange's ecosystems of investors, regulators, depository, and broker-dealers. Bang! That sounds like the full gamut of services right there. So, the company's co-founder and chief enterprise architect, Jai Waterman, said that he was excited to have successfully implemented the first real end-to-end digital asset trading system. Exactly. End-to-end. That's what the Germans said. Remember Stuttgart? End-to-end. The Germans, they said they're going to give end-to-end. They said custody. They said broker dealership. They said insurance. They said exchange. That's what's going down. Not everybody's going to wait for America. Not everybody's going to wait. So, what do we got here? Successfully implemented the first real end-to-end digital asset trading ecosystem with the JSE within their regulated environment. Bang! They are regulated. Good to go. Forrest said that the JSE hopes to start trading tokens and smart contracts once all trials have been completed. Bang! So what did we learn? What we learned the past few weeks? Malaysia, online. Thailand, online. The Brits said they're taking comments, and Jamaica, bang. Once they're complete, they're good to go. So guys, it's all growing, it's expanding worldwide. And so I know I had to talk about that bullshit about what happened in the shutdown, because I know that was the big story today. And so things are going to be delayed here in America, but Europe, Canada, Britain, Australia, Jamaica, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, Brazil, Chile, everyone's going to be going. Everyone's going to be doing their thing. So don't worry, guys. It's all coming. Bang! Let's get the shout outs and airdrops. Bang! Who do we got? Pete Caberer. Bang, sir. Spreading smiles. Aw, thanks for one. Bang! See you, brother. Stephen Holt. Brother, see you. Bang! Yes, DP Entertainment. Bang! Oh, he's the one who actually, he brought up this story, the first one. Airdrop 2410, Hurricane Master. See you, brother. Bang! Yes. A new one. Who's this guy? Crypto Cub. La riqueza es un estado mental. Bang. All right. Oh, is that the Cuban flag? Bang. See you, my brother. Hola. All right. What we got? Crypto Times. Bang. See you, brother. Jose Mendoza. Bang. See you, brother. Hey, Drapa. You son of a bitch. Bang. 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 Yes. See you, brother. Wrong gosh. All right. Look. Pollywood, he says, I'm holding. Hold on. Bang, Pollywood, but Poppywood now. He said he's holding V-Coin like a rock star. Bang. Go get your V-Coin. Lisa, see you, girl. Bang. Yes. Tony Costian Toro. Bang. See you, brother. Yes, J Will. The master of darkness. Bang. See you, brother. I see you. Bang, Bob. 8441320. Go get your airdrops. Bang. Luck, Crypto Bridgie. Wagwan Gal. Bang. Yes. A couple more. What do we got? Bang. This chick. Zen. Part of the 464 crew. Yes. See you, girl. Bang. What do we got? Pure Kane. Bang. All right, enough. All right, one more. Who's this guy right here? One more. Who's this guy? Sippy Corp, JC and FM. Bang. And one more. Moto Spills. Bang. All right, let's get you back to your wives and lives. Let's shill it and kill it. Let's shill this show and kill it. Shill it and kill it. Luck. Luck, brothers. So, good show tonight. Bitcoin custody, Fidelity, bang, bang. That is big news. So Fidelity is big news because, I mean, they have all those trillions of dollars in management. No one is questioning their competence in, financial dealings. Gemini, now there's a bunch of new kids, Winklevoss and blah, blah, blah. So they don't have the reputation like Fidelity. So they bent over backwards and got that what'd they get? That review from Deloitte and Touche. Look, we may not be famous, but look, Deloitte and Touche is, and they say we're good to go. So, bang. Good to go. And then Jamaica, man, at the bomber clot. You not think you gotta leave us? Nah, man, we are debout. We debout. We're here. Yes, Jamaica is here. Bang, crypto. Good to go. So, guys, let's chill and kill it. Get you back to your wives and lives. All right. Bang, subscribe below, please. Press the bell button, and you'll get the automatic updates every time I upload these videos. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. Look, guys, this is the favorite time of my day. I love doing this. I love talking money. I love talking crypto. Bang, bang. You know what I mean? I got tons of money in it. So do you. We're watching. We're having a good time. All right? So, subscribe below. Press the button. And I will see you tomorrow. It's my favorite time of day. This is Shamari Clark. Luck. I'm always on duty. Bang. Over and out.